Welcome to the pre-class video. And in your next class, you're basically going to be doing problem solving, figuring out pHs of strong acids and weak acids and strong bases and weak bases, having some reactions. And it's really helpful to have kind of a pattern or a flow chart.
Right. When you approach a problem, what do you think?
Right. And for these problems, the most important question is going to be, am I dealing with a strong acid and base, or am I dealing with a weak acid and base? Because for strong acids and bases, if the answer is yes, I am dealing with strong acids and bases, those reactions are quantitative, i.e., it's just stoichiometry, limiting reagents. If you have 0.1 molar of a strong acid, it gives you 0.1 molar of H+.
Right.
It's going to react with 0.1 molar of whatever base it's reacting with, right? So strong acids and bases react quantitatively, and you just do stoichiometry. You may have to calculate a pH or something like that at the end, but you get the H+ concentration through simple stoichiometry.
Right, directly from the reactants.
Yep. If the answer is no, then you're dealing with a weak acid or a base. And in that case, you're going to get an equilibrium system. And for equilibrium systems, you know you got to write out the equilibrium expression, and then you're going to make an ICE table, right? And do that even before you decide how you're going to solve the problem.
Right.
You get those things, and you start to put in the information that you're given in the problem. Where does this fit? Where does this fit? And once you start to have all the pieces kind of in place in the framework, then you can say, okay, how am I going to solve this? Do I need to make assumptions?
Right.
Can I just solve it directly? Okay? So doing this first thing is going to really help you. Now in the activity, we kind of tell you, you're going to be working on strong acids in this section. You're going to be working on weak acids in this section. But guess what? On a test or doing homework problems, you won't necessarily know.
Right. So you're going to have to memorize your strong acids and your bases?
Exactly, and that's how you recognize. You memorize a list of strong acids, and that's on the handout that we gave in class.
There you go.
There you go. And if it's not on there, then it's weak. Okay?
Pretty simple.
Pretty simple.
Right.
Good. So, good luck. See you in class.